Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare bloom greens. First, gather your ingredients. 1 scoop of bloom greens powder and 8 ounces of your preferred liquid. This could be water, juice, or a smoothie. Having everything ready makes the process quick and easy. We'll cover the simple steps to mix it perfectly, ensuring you get all the nutritional benefits in a delicious way. Let's get started. Now let's mix it up. Take your 8 ounces of liquid and pour it into a shaker bottle or a glass. Then, add 1 level scoop of bloom greens powder. If using a shaker, secure the lid tightly. If using a glass, grab a spoon. Shake vigorously or stir well for about 15 to 30 seconds until the powder is fully dissolved and there are no clumps. To enhance your bloom greens experience, consider these tips. For an extra smooth texture, blend your greens with ice and a piece of fruit, like a banana or berries. If you prefer a sweeter taste, try mixing it with almond milk or apple juice instead of just water. Remember to drink your bloom greens immediately after mixing to enjoy its freshest taste and potency. Proper storage is key to maintaining the quality of your bloom greens. Always keep the container tightly sealed in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. Enjoying bloom greens daily can support your digestion, boost your energy levels, and contribute to overall wellness. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. It's a simple addition to your routine with big benefits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.